This quick video is about how to share your WhatsApp community invitation link on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First, open WhatsApp. Then switch this to communities. Now open this first one. Then click on View Members. Here you can see your WhatsApp community invite link, and if you are a group admin, you can only see these options. If you are a participant, you won't see this option, but you can ask your admin to make you also as one of the admin. After that, you can see these options. Okay, to share your community link, just tap this. Yes. Here you can directly share via WhatsApp or other apps and more. And before sharing this community link, one thing you have to keep in mind. Anyone with this link can directly join your WhatsApp community. Yeah, that's the thing. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.